Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make registration form in HTML. So let's get started. First, I will use center tag over here to keep my registration form in the middle of the web page. So let's write h3 and inside it let's write a registration form. Now I have to write form for creating registration form. Now our first level will be name, and the input for name will be input type will be text, name equal to name, and placeholder equal to username. Okay, let's save it and refresh it over here. Okay, you can see the name and the placeholder username as well. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Now the next one will be email. Now the input type will be email, the name will be email, and placeholder will be email. We just have to replace the name instead to email. Okay, you can see the email over here, input type email. If you click over here, you can see the emails. Now let's put it in different lines. So for this we'll use BR tag. So let's put to BR, save and refresh. You can see those are in different line. Now let's copy it again and paste it over here. Now let's write password, input type password, name will be password, and placeholder will be password as well. Let's save it and refresh it. You can see the password field. If we type anything over here, we cannot see it. Okay, now let's see the radio button. We will use gender for it. Okay, label gender. Now input type obviously will be radio, name will be gender, let's say male. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Now second one will be female. Let's save it, refresh it. You can see gender male female option. Let's put BR over here. Okay, refresh again. Okay, now let us see the select option. Okay, we'll use country. Let's say select. Now name equal to country. Over here we need to give some option. So option, let's say we have to say value. Let's copy it first. Okay, let's put USA. Next one will be Canada, and the other will be India. Okay, put the value USA, Canada, and India. Okay, let's put BR over here. Okay, refresh. Okay, you can see the USA, Canada, India. Okay, now let's see the checkbox over here. Okay, for checkbox, let's say label subject, and input type will be checkbox, and let's give value. Okay, let's say math, and name equal to subject. Let's copy it, and over here English, and then science. Okay, the value will be math, English, and science. Let's save and refresh. Okay, you can see those options. We can select multiple. Okay, now the last one is submit button. Input type will be submit, and name equal to submit, and value equal to submit. You can write anything inside value, send, or anything. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, you can see, let's put the values. Okay, Canada. Okay, let's submit. You can see all the values in the URL, that name, email, and everything since we submit it. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you a lot, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe this channel, and thank you very much again for watching this video.